A celebration out of the launch of Jamin. Jamin by far is the biggest passion project that QQ has undertaken so far. So QQ is home to a lot of top talent in India. We are a creator-focused media company, and there's a big difference in saying that. There are media companies, we're a creator-focused media company. And what we do is, by being home to a lot of creators, I don't want to get into too much of nitty-gritty of what we do. I want to leave you with a thought about why we exist. QQ exists to empower creators with technology and tools to help them build a business around their creative ideas. I think the concept that we want to bring out is quite clear. This is a collaborative project that's bridging the two worlds of Bollywood legends and YouTube stars. We've taken great pains to curate a list of artists and a lineup that will create contemporary music for audiences. This isn't niche music. This is the music that you're used to listening to in films, but it is not for a film. And that's what I think is going to make this mass. The first track will drop on the 19th of August, and then it'll be weekly, running up to the end of October. And on the 11th of November, at the NSCI Dome, we have a mega live concert, and we hope to see you all back there. Now, to introduce you to the lineup in full physical form, we have a really interesting twist on how we're going to bring up the talent. One of the most talented group of musicians that are called Raga Trippin and the pioneers of a cappella music in India. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Raga Trippin.
तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां यूं ही तड़पावे गलियां तेरी गलियां.
Actually, it has, because firstly, as you mentioned, a cappella is a niche genre. So for people in India to understand कि हम Bollywood music a cappella format में करते हैं, they don't even understand what is a cappella. So YouTube really helped us connect to those people. And secondly, when we went onto the live, circuit, when we were doing live shows and stuff, it kind of helped them to understand as to how we create the sounds, right from a beat boxing element, right from harmonies to guitar sounds and everything. So it really broke it down for them through our videos, and we were able to connect better with the live audience. In fact, they still don't believe. Most of the time in the middle of the show, they'll stop us and like, "Acha, ye aap muh se kar rahe ho?" So that's like a surprise element that.
तेरे करीब तू मेरी रहमत तेरी तू मेरी मैंने बदली रे मेरी नसीब.
Calling on stage, the first artist for this evening, Mumbai's finest!
your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Come on.
Together, come on.
Yo, what it do? Make some noise, man. Hip hop in the building. Yeah.
Make some noise.
Check one. Yeah, I got tripping. Check. Yo, jamming. Yeah. What's up? Yeah. Yo, let's go. Rap really, I mean, is still, you can say, limited to a certain bunch of people, and we are representing for them. So we represent for rap, and what we bring different to the table is the lyricism, the structures, the bars, the delivery. Our rap basically is an expression of who we are, and we are not afraid to be blunt. And it's difficult.
जेडी का हूँ बेटा और मैं रहता थोड़ा बेटा मैं विजेता अभिनेता ज्यादा करता कम हूँ कहता न डरता मैं हूँ करता न रुकता मैं हूँ चलता न झुकता मैं हूँ चलता और मैं बजाता बढ़ता मैं तो जीता गया देखो मारी है हर बारी मेरी सीखता गया और ये शहर जिम्मेदारी तो राजा हिंदुस्तानी
दिल है कि मानता नहीं. You know this one? Yeah, दिल है कि मानता नहीं. Oh, calling on stage this beautiful artist, Sana Moidatti. Come on, Sana, come on up on stage. In fact, the first time I got an opportunity to send my video to Sir, it was a YouTube link, and fortunately for me, he happened to watch it. So, and that helped me live a childhood dream, which was meeting Sir and singing for him. So YouTube is a big thing, and I wouldn't want to stop because you get to exercise your creativity over there, your own ideas, and it's also a platform where everyone notices you. And today, we're all together. It's going to be all about learning and sharing, and that's what the higher purpose is.
Absolutely.
So it's beautiful.
लगावेल तू लिपस्टिक हिलेला आरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट जिला टॉप लागेलू कमरिया कमरिया.
For jamming, so collaboration has been our style of creating music on YouTube. We started off with collaborating with a folk artist.
I think the word dealing is not the right word. It's all about the connection we make with people who watch us. It's all about how we relate to the audience, and I think our music speaks for us. So my music helps me.
बरसे में हाँ बूंदड़ बूंदड़ बरसे में हाँ बूंदड़ बूंदड़ बरसे में हाँ. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mati Bani. बूंदड़ बूंदड़ बरसे में हाँ बूंदड़ बूंदड़ बरसे में हाँ.
कजरा रे कार बदरिया कजरा रे कारी बदरिया बूंदन बूंदन बूंदना बूंदन For jamming, so collaboration has been our style of creating music on YouTube. We started off with collaborating with a folk artist, and we got a hang of it. We started to collaborate with folk artists going to their places. For example, we went to Muralala ji's place in Kutch. It is a very small village in Kutch called Dholavira. We were there just like 25 kilometers away from Pakistan's border, recording a song with a folk artist. And then we got a hang of that. And then we got a hang of internet collaborations, in which we collaborate with musicians all across the globe through internet. And now this. So I think this is like the final thing, or the ultimate dream, we would say, that we are sharing the stage with the legends, with our inspirations. And this is kind of an ultimate dream come true. Thank you, Kyuki, and thank you.
कजरारे कारी बदरिया, कजरारे कारी बदरिया, ऐसे नाचे मोरा मनवा, ऐसे नाचे मोरा मनवा, जैसे बन में मोर पपीहा, जैसे बन में मोर पपीहा, बूंदन बूंदन बरसे में
मेरे यार मेरा प्यार है जहाँ है, ये निके निके शॉट, ये छोटे छोटे शॉट, सोचने का रोज नहीं सो भी गया मैं, ये निके निके शॉट, ये छोटे छोटे शॉट, हमदम मेरे हर गम की दवा है, ये निके निके शॉट, ये छोटे छोटे शॉट। मेरे यार मेरा प्यार है जहाँ है, ये निके निके शॉट।
Darling on stage, Jonita Gandhi. Come on, Jonita.
तू है वही दिल ने जिसे अपना कहा, तू है जहाँ मैं हूँ वहाँ, अब तो ये जीना तेरे बिन है सजा।
I honestly just started out putting out songs that I really loved. A lot of the songs I've covered, and a lot of the people on stage here have, I think, come to know of me thanks to those videos that I started putting out on YouTube. And it was really just an honest effort to see what people thought of my voice outside of my hometown. I'm from Toronto, and from there, Bollywood seemed miles, and I mean, it is miles and miles away, but it seemed like something that was too far for me to fathom. So I was just really thrilled that when I would put out videos, eventually people from the industry started noticing them. And now I continue to do it because I'm just trying to stay true to the fans that kind of came on board through my initial videos and covers.
तू है वही दिल ने जिसे अपना कहा, तू है जहाँ मैं हूँ वहाँ, अब तो ये जीना तेरे बिन है सजा। हो मिल जाए इस तरह दो लहरें, जिस तरह हो मिल जाए इस तरह दो लहरें, जिस तरह फिर हो ना जुदा, ये वादा रहा।
लगावेलू जब लिपस्टिक, लेला आरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट, लगावेलू जब लिपस्टिक, लेला आरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट, जिला टॉप लागेलू, कमोरिया 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 कोरेला बेलो, लॉलीपॉप लागेलू। ओए
Stage,
Siddharth Salathia, make some noise.
Lollipop.
A lollipop lagelu, lollipop lagelu, lagavelu tu lipstick,
हिलेला आरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट जिला टॉप लागेलू कमरिया 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 करेला पालप लॉलीपॉप लागेलू कमरिया करेला पालप लॉलीपॉप लागेलू.
I was a bit scared. I still remember, I think 5-6 days back when we recorded that song, I was really shivering and I had cold also. But Salim sir really told me कि यार मतलब chill, nothing like that. And he went out थोड़ा time मुझे और दिया like to make me feel comfortable. So it was good experience working with him. Great experience.
लगावेलू जब लिपस्टिक हिलेला आरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट जिला टॉप लागेलू कमरिया 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 करेला पालप लॉलीपॉप लागेलू कमरिया करेला पालप लॉलीपॉप लागेलू.
Come on. Now sing with us. Yeah.
हाल दिल तुझको सुनाती मैं ये बोल पाती मेरी सांसें तुझ पे फिदा वो तेरे संग जो पल बिताती वक्त से मैं वो मान लाती.
I think the word dealing is not the right word. It's all about the connection we make with people who watch us. Either Sanam or Raga Tripin or any one of us sitting here. It's all about how we relate to the audience, and I think our music speaks for us. So my music helps me relating and not dealing.
दिल यूं रोता हर शाम साथ तू होता गुजारा हो तेरे बिन गुजारा अब मुश्किल है लगता नजारा हो तेरा ही नजारा अब हर दिन ये लगता
गुलाबी आंखें तो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया. संभालो मुझको मेरे यारो संभलना मुश्किल हो गया. Ladies and gentlemen, calling on stage Sanam. दिल में मेरे ख्वाब तेरे हो दीवार पे तुझ पे फिदा मैं क्यों हुआ आता है गुस्सा मुझे प्यार पे मैं लुट गया मान के दिल का कहा मैं कहीं का ना रहा क्या कहूँ मैं दिलरुबा बुराए जादू.
Like how Ben just asked, like I have a question for Sanam. Now most of you looked at me. Now this is not about Sanam Puri, it's not about me. It's about Samar Puri, it's about Venki S, it's about Keshal Dhanraj. The four of us, we are one as Sanam. We are a band called Sanam.
A big part of making us what we are today is the management that we have, Ben, and so yeah, so it really helps. It's like one team that we are together, and I think that really helps us do what we do.
दिल में मेरे ख्वाब तेरे तस्वीर जैसे हो दीवार पे तुझ पे फिदा मैं क्यों हुआ आता है गुस्सा मुझे प्यार पे मैं लुट गया मान के दिल का कहा मैं कहीं का ना रहा क्या कहूँ मैं दिलरुबा बुरा ये जादू तेरी आंखों का ये मेरा कातिल हो गया.
What got me excited about Jamin was, as you said, I've been enjoying doing film music for the last decade or so now, and I feel very fulfilled as a film composer.
I think it's a kind of celebration.
Yes.
And Kyunki actually stands for that, to celebrate the youth, celebrate innovation and...
आशाएं खिले दिल
You, it's only you, no one but you. To me, all there can be nobody but you. It's only you, no one but you. To me, all there can be
All is on stage, our first director for the evening. Mithun! Give it up, guys! Come on!
What got me excited about Jamin was, as you said, I've been enjoying doing film music for the last decade or so now, and I feel very fulfilled as a film composer. And just at a time when I was looking to do something different and break into other avenues, that's when I got a call from Sameer. And when he narrated the entire concept to me, I think it's being brought up in a musical family. My father has been a film composer, my grandfather also. It could be that sometimes we get into a pattern and we always approach music from one mindset. But here I went through this entire portfolio of artists who were doing different kind of music, with different thought processes. And I thought it would be very interesting to engage with them, exchange ideas. As Salim said, a lot of learning would be definitely something that as a musician I could gain from this project.
तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है कैसा, एक पल दूर गवारा नहीं। तेरे लिए हर रोज है जीते, तुझको दिया मेरा वक्त सभी। कोई लम्हा मेरा ना हो तेरे बिना, हर सांस पे नाम तेरा। क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो। चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो।
मदारी 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 मेरा तू, मैं जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा, जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा। मदारी 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 मेरा तू, मैं जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा, जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा रे। Calling on stage, Clinton Cerejo. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the genius. Clinton, you have to sing this with us.
Come on. Madari, 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 Madari. Clap your hands, come on. मैं जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा, जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा. Both AR and Salim Sulaiman have been so instrumental in my career in my earlier years, because I don't think I would have learned anywhere near as much as I have learned if I hadn't worked on all those films with them. And for me to be on the same platform as a composer, it's a blessing in itself. And having said that, I mean, I know that digital is completely the future, and I'm really excited to finally, be actually, doing something so concretely on a digital platform. I'm really excited.
मदारी 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 मेरा तू, मैं जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा, जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा। मदारी 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 मेरा तू, मैं जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा, जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा रे। मदारी 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 मेरा तू, मैं जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा, जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा। मदारी 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 मेरा तू, मैं जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा, जम्मूरा रे।
हर कोशिश में हो वार वार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशा ही। You know the song, sing along. तूफानों को चीर के उम्मीदों को छीन ले,
मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी.
Making spiritual music is now is something which we really feel great about, because there's a time we make commercial music, then we make devotional music, and I feel devotional music somewhere has a fantastic timeless quality. So every year we do that. The month of just on the eve of Ramadan Eid, we release a devotional track. This is a great moment for us to. Music is also a beautiful knowledge. It's a lot of it's great power.
Sure.
I always look at it like learning, interacting with. For me, jamming is going to be learning. It's going to be interacting with newer artists and fun people. I'm going to learn a lot. I'm really looking forward to it.
आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की. अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी. आशाएं, उम्मीदें, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी.
आजा आजा दिन शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले. Sing along. आजा आजा दिन शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले.
जय हो, जय हो.
Calling on stage, the one and only Mr. A.R. Rahman.
जय हो,
जय हो, जय हो, जय हो.
I think it's a kind of celebration.
Yes.
And Kyunki actually stands for that, to celebrate the youth, celebrate innovation. And why would all these people come together without fighting? Because I think under the umbrella of Kyunki, we have achieved that. It's a great thing. The world needs this now. To share ideas, to share happiness, and to exchange spiritual energy between musicians, between the young and the old. We're going to learn from the younger people, and they're going to probably take some advice from us. But we're going to create music. In these days, in troubled times today, I think one song can change people's lives, create an understanding, provoke a great thought. Many beautiful things can happen. I feel like this people on stage should take that as a challenge. They're not only about love songs. So do songs which are beautiful, which could, create a thought or change a course of prejudice or stigma, and unify people in a way, make them understand that there's a larger thing about humanity. And that's what is missing. I feel like a vision to create a song. There's no imagine now. In India, I think Indian artists should do that. I think that is the whole power of independent music. Nobody's stopping you from that.